My name is Dr. Gino Bradley. You can find out more information about me at www.ginobradley.com. You can find out more information about our company at www.gbctaxpros.com. Let me be the first to welcome you. So, welcome to GBC. This is our business plan overview. We're going to just take a few moments just to explain a little bit about what it's like to become a GBC Tax Pro. And if you have any questions afterwards, we'd be glad to take the time to schedule a one-on-one to answer any questions that you may have. So again, I'm Dr. Gino Bradley. I'm the founder of GBC. I'm also the author of the book, Last $2. And with all the knowledge and experience that we've learned over the last almost 25 years, working in small businesses and big businesses, we wanted to share the information that we have developed over time. So we created the GBC Financial Advantage. Our core values are our founding principles. This helps to guide everything that we do. Everything centers around excellence. We believe in integrity, building organizations, building relationships, providing solutions, having a good quality of life, and community stewardship. We believe in making sure that we give back and keeping everything balanced. Our standards of professional conduct are an additional set of values that we will not allow anyone to violate. We are number one. We're also a faith-based company. We also end our meetings in prayer. We treat everybody with respect. We do not allow any type of harassment. And if anyone has any type of harassment activity, then they are immediately terminated from our organization and they can no longer be a partner. And if we need to, we actually turn our information over to the proper authority. So we want to make sure we keep a good, clean culture. All right. So when we set up a meeting with a potential team member or a potential client, what's our purpose? Everything that we're doing is on a mission to help families. I'll tell you more about that mission soon. But what we do is we're having financial freedom talks. We're just having conversations. So let's have a conversation. Let's learn a little bit more about the financial advantage. This is where we steer our conversation. So here's a quick tip, a quick fact, fun fact. Only 30% of Americans itemize their tax deductions, meaning there's lots of tax deductions they might be able to take and they're not taking advantage of it. But when you work with one of us, we make sure that you get all of the deductions that you are qualified for. 70% of American families don't have $400 to deal with a $400 emergency if it happened today. It's another fun fact, but here's where we stand. Those are two things that may sound negative, but these give us an opportunity to provide some assistance and relief. This is the no judgment zone. Trust me, me and Cookie, we've been there before too. We got no heaven, no hell, and no jail to put you in. But we can't fix the problem if we don't acknowledge that they're a problem, which means there's some problems in the American financial system with the middle class and the lower class. So unlike the big companies that are going out there to help everybody on Wall Street, we are here to help everybody on Main Street. Let's talk a little more about what we're going to do. So how do we change it? Our mission. Most professional companies have a mission statement. One thing that is unique about us is that we live out our mission every day, and we recite our mission statement frequently to make sure that everyone understands this is what we're working for. Our mission: make the world better by building communities of excellence, one person, one family, and one business at a time. How do we accomplish this? We said we're going to do all these great things. Building communities of excellence and making the world better, really? We're going to accomplish it in a few ways. By providing excellent and premium financial services, the same level of service that you could get if you were a wealthy person. So we're going to be serving families, financial services, education and training opportunities at the GBC Institute, which is where we train our tax pros, entrepreneurship opportunities, giving people an opportunity to join, and community service because GBC cares. There's two ways to join. Let's jump into a little bit of that. Two ways to become a member of our tax pro organization. You can just be a referral partner, and you can make a deal or an agreement to become a part of one of our team members. And one of the team members that's already in our business, you could become a referral agent for one of our partners. So if we have 3 tax preparers and you know one of them, you want to become a part of that person's team, all you have to do is refer clients and you get paid a commission. That's it. Now, if you want to actually be a tax pro, then we'll take a look at these 4 partnership levels. These percentages here show what your percentage is going to be. You can earn 25%, 50, 75, or 100. Okay, and this is what the cost is. All right. Now, we do have a promotion that we're running, but it ends October 31st. So everything is 50% off until October 31st. Yes, I did. I said it. It's 50% off. But as soon as October 31st, that night is over. On November 1st, everything goes automatically back to the normal prices. And no matter how much we want to help, we will not be able to make these kind of offerings at this price. So it's a limited time only. This is a very affordable business that pays. Let's take a little bit more of a closer look at our services. We offer tax services, accounting and bookkeeping, payroll. We have secure credit cards. We do marketing, LLCs, and we do a whole lot of other things. So when you join our company and become a GBC Tax Pro, you can offer more than just tax services. We can help you to start building something that you can do all year long. Let's take a little bit more of a closer look into our opportunity. When you become a GBC Tax Pro, you sign a contract called the PRT. PRT contract, I want to make sure that you understand it, because we never want to have anybody say that we didn't explain everything. You can watch this video. If you're watching a replay, you can watch it again and again and again. Pause it, rewind it, make sure you understand it. PRT, there's 3 different percentages. P is the percentage you get when you process. R is the percentage that you get if you send it over to me to have me work on it, or have somebody at the headquarters office take care of it for you. And T is what you get for your team member, because yes, you make money when you process tax returns. That's the P. Or if you do the work. You also still get money if you can't handle the returns because you have too many, or maybe it's a hard one. You can send it into us and you still get paid, but it's a different percentage. It's a much smaller percentage. And then T, every time you refer us to a new partner and you bring more people into the business, you earn a percentage on that. So that's breaking down the PRT. Let's take another quick look at PRT. So I showed you the 4 different levels. So I won't spend too much time here, but you may end up needing to pause this video right here so you can take a look at these 4 different levels. 25% commission, 50%, 75%, 100%. This is how much it costs. It's $12.99 a month, $29, $39, $99. That's the promo price. Regular price, as you can see, are here. So everything is 50% off. But if you want to pay the cash price and you don't want to pay a monthly payment, this is what it costs right here at the top. $150, $250, $350, $450. So it's pretty simple. Now, when we finally get a chance to meet and you talk with one of our team members, or you get a chance to talk to me directly, then I can spend as much time as I need to explaining this whole thing to you. But if you take a look at these PRTs here. Shows right here, make 25% on P if you process it. 20% if you refer the work in to us and let us take care of it for you. And you earn 10% from anybody that you recruit on the team. And that comes out of our money, not their money. Okay? So 25, 50, 75, and 100. So here's some business tools that we're going to give you to make it easier to do your work. Tax software, phone or chat tech support, online tax school, a web page with a client portal where your clients can log in and you can actually log in, digital business card, professional business email, and much more. We'll also provide marketing materials. We want to make sure that you're successful, so we're going to build your business with you. Okay? So remember, when you become a GBC Tax Pro, when you join GBC, you're in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. We provide support on the hard questions as well, so you don't have to worry about not understanding what you're getting into, or having the worry that you may not have the capability to get it taken care of, because we're here to help you take care of it. The GBCS is our business system, the GBC systems. These are the software systems and programs that we use to help make sure that people are successful. We use group chats. We have our website, and we'll show you how to use that. So kind of make you wonder, how is this a financial advantage? Well, if you don't know already, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We're making the world better, one person, one family, and one business at a time, through financial services, education and training, and entrepreneurship opportunities. You give us a year, we'll make sure that as a client, you'll have better tax refunds and financially stronger families. But as a partner, you'll have education and training, and you'll be earning income so you can earn and learn. Remember, we offer a variety of services. And I'll tell you one more little bit about why this model is attractive. Why is this business model attractive? What do you tell people if they want to join a GBC? Or here's what I tell them. You have the freedom to do what you want and work the hours that you want. You can work whatever you want because you're a business owner, not an employee. Positive, family-friendly environment. You get compensated on all services. We train you. Entrepreneurship equals ownership. You can upgrade your contract at any time, so you're not stuck at the 25% or 50%. You can always upgrade it later if you have more clients. You may build that business slowly, but if you want to get more skin in the game and you want a higher percentage, just let us know. We'll upgrade your contract. We work with regular, everyday folks, not just wealthy people. Starting a business can cost thousands, and this business costs nothing because you can actually get started for $0 down, sign your agreement, and we won't charge your car for 60 days. So you can build a team or work alone. Numbers don't lie. One person with 30 clients could make around $9,000. But if you had 3 people, which means you signed up 2 other people to do it with you, if all 3 of you guys had 30 clients each, that'd be $27,000. And you're pretty much making that money in February and March. It's a short period of time. So we think that's a pretty good investment and return. 10 people, that's $90,000. So you don't even realize it, but just with 30 clients, 30 tax clients is not a lot to get. It might take you a year or 2 to get to 30 clients, but you could literally have a $100,000 6-figure tax business where you and your team are earning money and you're being a part of making the world better, one person, one family, one business at a time. So how many people do you want carrying money to the bank for you? I want as many people as possible, which is why I'm allowing you guys the opportunity to be a part of the system. Our vision is to grow from here to here. So we want to go from having folks in about 25 states and about 500 orders a year and doing $1 million a year in refunds to doing 10 million a year in refunds. We want to have people in every state, okay? We have a checklist that we're going to use to make sure that we get you onboarded. It's just like a school checklist. We'll go through this to make sure that you're all ready. And these are the 5 phases of our training. When you first come in, we're just getting you set up. Next phase is putting you through school. Next phase is giving you some practice returns to work on. And then we'll give you a quick quiz to make sure you understand the rules. And then you just start participating in our weekly schedule. So remember, GBC Tax Pros is the place where you want to start your tax business. Become a GBC Tax Pro and you can earn and learn, okay? No experience, no problem. We can help you out. But I need to know, what are your thoughts now? Please leave us some feedback and get back with the person who introduced you to this video and showed this video to you so you can let us know which of these levels, which of these 4 partnership levels is the right level for you. 25% commission, these are the promo rates. 25% commission, $12.99. 50% is $29.99 a month. 75% is $39.99 a month, or the 100% where you get all of the commission, meaning if you charge the client $300 for a tax return, you would get that whole $300. That's what that means, okay? A PTIN is required. It's very simple to get it. We'll help you to do that. But which one of these levels is the right fit for you?